I just saw a cannibalistic bird. It was a seagull, and guess what it was doing? It was eating another bird. If I literally have got my phone out before it was done eating it, I would have shown you. It was so crazy. If you saw that, you would go insane. And I don't know why that bird was cannibalistic. It literally was like this. Imagine my hand is a human right here. That's dead like a bird. I'm a bird. Oh. Ate it whole. Isn't that insane? Like, that's so crazy. I'm crazy. That's it.